How dirty it is back here. Look at all this crap. Terrible. Just terrible. Alright, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today is a big day for the Civic. It's something I've been waiting on for quite a while now, and we are going to be thoroughly cleaning this car. Now, I know you guys see the wheels on here. Don't worry, that episode is going to come right after this one, but I wanted to get this one out because I spent a lot of time and effort on getting the right products and the right stuff to do this the correct way, and we're going to be going full in depth. I've gone ahead and gotten some stuff for this job. So we have a steam cleaner, carpet cleaner, got some detail brushes, microfibers, and then some various products for interior cleaning. But I'm super excited about these, super excited to see how much dirt we're going to be able to lift out of the carpet and the seats and all that good stuff. As you guys saw in the intro clips, this car, I've went ahead and vacuumed it out prior to this. We're going to do that again today, but a couple weeks ago when I bought the car, I vacuumed it out and cleaned it up just a little bit, but it's still really dirty. It's still really dusty and gross, especially in the back, up on those trim pieces and stuff like that. We're gonna go through today. We're gonna pull the seats out. We're gonna pull the center console out, and we're gonna give this carpet a really good deep clean. And I'm super excited about it because every time I drive the car, it has like a weird smell and it's kind of gross and it just doesn't smell clean. So I want to use these products to get it right. So what we have here is a couple of things. So obviously we're going to be cleaning the glass. That's pretty important. The glass is super dirty on the inside. I've got two different interior cleaners. I'm not sure which one I'm going to use. I may try both of them, but these are just pretty much all-purpose cleaners. Spray them into the carpet, seats, stuff like that, and then use the carpet cleaner to finish it up. And then obviously we're going to need something to protect it, so I went with this Chemical Guys vinyl, rubber, and plastic. Should be good on all of the interior pieces that aren't fabric. And then we've got other stuff like detail brushes for scrubbing the panels down, the vents, bunch of microfibers. We're going to go through a lot of those today, but we're not going to waste any time. I'm going to go ahead and pull these seats out, and we're going to get to vacuuming first and foremost. Alright, so we got the front seats out, all of the floor mats are out, and this carpet is actually not terrible. It's not the worst I've ever seen. We obviously have some staining right here, but for the most part, it's in really good shape, so it should clean up really, really, really nice. So next, we're going to go ahead and take out this center console, and that's mainly just so we can get these pieces out and clean them separately and make sure they're clean really good. Also, I want to get deep down in here and clean all that as well. So we're going to pull this out and get started. Everything is pulled out, or about as far as I want to go. I may still pull the bottom of that back seat just so we can get all the way up the carpet. Still undecided, but I'll let you guys know on that. But this is everything right here. So we got the floor mats, seats, center console, shift knob, and if you're wondering, That's how many screws it takes to take out the center console. Super easy, super self-explanatory. But as you guys can see, everything is very, very, very dirty. Now I'm thinking I may not be able to get these floor mats super clean, so if I can't, then we'll probably just run straight carpet, because I think the carpet's going to turn out really, really good. I mean, the driver's side, it looks like it's had a floor mat over it its entire life. I mean, it looks really, really, really good. So we're about to dive into deep cleaning this thing, and yeah, let's not waste any time. Let's get to vacuuming. This is probably the nastiest part of the whole interior. I don't even know how it got like this, but we're gonna go ahead and hit it with some of this interior cleaner. Not sure how well it's gonna work, but we're gonna give it a shot. That looks brand new again. Look at that. Well, I recorded all of the carpet cleaning process and the footage got corrupted somehow, but carpet is clean. Put some nice little lines in it, nothing crazy. I'm not a professional, but I think they look pretty cool. So we're gonna move on to cleaning these seats and these interior bits. Then we're going to reinstall all of it, and then we will finish up with the dash and some of the rear plastics. here it is. This is about as far as I can get today. Pretty much got everything done that I wanted to get done other than cleaning the wheels, but we vacuumed everything, used a carpet cleaner, shampooed the carpets, cleaned the entire center console, the dash, all the windows inside and out. Both seats got cleaned. I didn't get to clean the rear seat, but it's not too bad. We'll get to that eventually. But I mean, everything turned out super nice. It's super clean. Everything smells good. Carpets turned out great. This was like super dirty, and now it's pretty clean. Shift knob had a bunch of grime on it, the boot, everything. I mean, it's very happy with how it came out. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. It kind of kicked my butt just a little bit. I didn't think it was going to be this difficult to fully clean the interior of a car, but it kind of takes a lot of work. I've been at it for about 4 or 5 hours now. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Maybe in the next one we'll go through some exterior washing and stuff like that. Although the car is not the prettiest, and you know, we got the ding on, or the big dent on the other side. But stay tuned for next episode. You guys are gonna see these get installed. Pretty excited about those. And yeah, if you guys haven't checked out the playlist on this car, be sure to do so. We got a ton of content for it, a ton of content coming up for it. And I'm just having a good time working on this car, and it's nice to have something that's super simple and cheap and easy to work on. So that's going to be it for this week's episode, and I'll see you guys in the next one.